Okay, folks, let's do a little geometry proof here. I'm going to begin by drawing a line here, and we'll call that line L. And I'm going to draw another line beneath it, right here. I'm going to call that line M. We're going to say also that these two lines are parallel. Now I'm going to draw two lines called transversals, like so. Okay, well, we've got a triangle in the middle of our drawing, and because these two lines are parallel, we're going to be able to take some liberties here. We're going to call this angle A. We're going to call this angle B, and this angle C. Now, because these two lines are parallel, angle B is the same measure here as it is here, and then because these two angles are vertical, we can say that these two are the same measurement, those two being B. Now angle C here, because again our lines are parallel, we can say it corresponds to that angle. Now what we have is we have angle A, angle B, and angle C, and they all represent a straight line, which is 180 degrees. So we can say A, B, and C here are 180 degrees. That tells us that a triangle is 180 degrees. Well, let's try that on a couple of other things then and see what happens. Suppose we take a rectangle, and now we divide it by a triangle. Well, this is going to be 90 degrees. That's going to be 90 degrees. This is going to be 90 degrees divided by some number. It's going to be this angle, the entire angle is going to be 90 degrees, but split up between two different angles. So what happens is we get 180 degrees for that triangle, and we get 180 degrees for that triangle. Now what happens is if we add the two of them together, we can see that a rectangle is going to be 360 degrees. Oops. So our rectangle is going to add to 360 degrees. We could do the same thing with a pentagon, and I'll try my best here to draw a pentagon. No, that's not quite a pentagon. So anyway, and we could draw a couple of triangles inside of it. And now you can see that we have 180, 180, and 180. And that is going to equal 540 degrees. And so from this, we can now determine that we're adding 180 degrees to each figure. That gives us a formula that is referred to as the interior angle sum. And it goes like this. It says that 180 times n minus 2 degrees gives us the measure of the interior angles of any figure, where n equals the number of sides. And that will hold for any polygon. Thank you.